I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 3-on-3 in WWE 2K. First, navigate to the main menu. From there, you will select the play option to begin setting up your match. This mode allows for exciting six-person action, bringing a dynamic energy to your gameplay. We will cover everything from initial setup to in-game strategy, ensuring you are ready to dominate the ring with your chosen teams. Get ready for some intense tag team action. Once you are in the play menu, you will see various match options. Choose tag team and then look for the 3-on-3 selection. This is crucial for setting up the correct match type. You can also customize the rules, such as enabling or disabling disqualifications, count-outs, or even setting up an elimination-style match. Take a moment to adjust these settings to your preferred gameplay style for maximum enjoyment. After selecting the match type, you will proceed to the Superstar selection screen. Here, you will pick 3 wrestlers for your team and 3 for the opposing side. You can choose from a vast roster of superstars, legends, and even custom characters. Consider their attributes and abilities to form a cohesive and powerful unit. A well-balanced team can make all the difference in securing a victory in the ring. When the match begins, strategy is key. Work with your teammates to isolate opponents, creating 2-on-1 situations. Utilize tag team finishers and double team moves to inflict significant damage and gain an advantage. Pay attention to your partner's health and momentum, tagging them in when they are fresh. Effective communication and teamwork, whether with AI or human players, will lead you to victory in these exciting 6-person battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.